Deb with home cooking is for the birds. Let's just go ahead and jump right into this yummy, yummy recipe. I'm starting off with 4 very large chicken breasts and I'm putting them in my Instapot. For this recipe, you will need a can of pineapple juice, and I will put the measurements in the description. If you don't have an Instapot, no worries. I used to not have an Instapot, and I did this right on my stovetop. I did set my time on the Instapot for about 55 minutes. After 55 minutes, I let this naturally release for 20 minutes. And if you're making this on the stovetop, make sure to shred it and let it cook a little bit longer because you want that pineapple juice to cook down into that meat and break it down. It makes chicken so tender, y'all, and it has the best flavor. And that's what I'm doing right in my Instapot. I'm just shredding this chicken, and then I'm going to put the lid back on it, and I am going to turn on my Instapot again for 5 minutes. And after this cooked 5 more minutes in my Instapot, I did a quick release. Once our chicken is done cooking in that pineapple juice, we are just going to take our chicken out. And I'm just going to put this in a bowl. And I love this bowl, and I'm going to show you why. This bowl, I believe I got at Walmart, a set of them. I actually bought 2 sets. But it has a little spout on it. You can see it. And I will put the lid on it when I'm straining water out of something. And it just pours out that little spout there. I'm not getting paid to tell you that. I'm not being endorsed by Walmart. That's just where I got these bowls, and they're wonderful. Now we're going to just pour some honey mustard on top of this. This is honey mustard dressing, and I started off with half a bottle. We're going to add about 3/4 cup of chopped walnuts. Give it a mix, and then we're going to put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let it cool down. And then we are going to add something else. After 30 minutes, we are going to add some grapes. We are going to cut them in half, and I've got about 2 cups. And it doesn't matter what type of grapes you put in this. Let's give this a mix, and then we're going to do a taste test. And guess what? I added another cup of grapes and some more walnuts to this. So I'm guessing I used 3 cups of grapes and 1 cup of walnuts, crushed walnuts, and the entire bottle of the honey mustard. This recipe really depends on how much chicken you have. Again, I'll put the ingredients in the description. Once you've got all the ingredients mixed up, you'll want to put this in the refrigerator and let it chill at least 2 hours, and you can even freeze this. This is one of my absolute favorite chicken salads.